Welcome to Ability Identity, the program dedicated to whole child development. To expect academic results before you build ability is to expect a crop without sowing a seed and caring for it. To stop ability identity before visible academic results is to pull a seedling from the soil before maturity. To blame ability identity for poor academic results is like blaming the heart for the brain's woes. To wait like a good husbandman, patiently and diligently, will bring the desired results. Ability is a prerequisite to academic excellence, just like a seed is a prerequisite to a crop. It starts a chain reaction. It replaces a faulty foundation and lays a stronger one. It puts a building right in the place destined for it. Ability identity is a prerequisite to academic prowess. No higher order thinking can be expected without a solid foundation of identity in ability. To demand so is to put up walls before the foundation, to remove scaffolding before cement has dried, and to put on the roof before its time. Everything is beautiful in its time. Ability takes time to grow to fulfillment. No one runs a marathon without practice over time. No one became so without being given the tools for mastery. We would never have known about Beethoven without a piano, or Muhammad Ali without a punching bag, or J.R. Tolkien without the opportunity for him to excel at languages. Ability takes time. Anyone can pressurize a fruit to ripen early for their own greed, but the one who can give what is needed, cultivating non-stop, driving away pests, and waiting patiently, will joyfully reap sweet fruit. Ability identity takes all the years of primary school and high school. The development carries on into adulthood and leads to a fulfilled life. Ability identity ensures whole child development. We are here to provide the tools desperately needed for development. We build a safe and beautiful learning environment that keeps stress out at schools. We equip those classes and libraries with gift promotion tools like gym equipment, music instruments, chess sets, knitting and sewing materials, language games, puzzles, and wooden tables and chairs in the dining area. We measure the brain intelligences in every child that reveals their potential gifts and talents. We use the reliable and scientifically proven Neuro-Agility Profile from Neuralink, a South African company that operates worldwide, providing brain technology services to corporates, schools, and individuals. Ability identity is a must for all underperforming schools who meets the Rise and Excel requirements. We take small steps at a time, celebrate often, and catch our breath when tiredness sets in. Ability identity is part of all of us. Join us and make a difference.